Bitch got swag like Cardi, red bottoms in the Audi. The classy shit in when she sippin' on Bacardi. Body like Trina, but her face like Tisha. I love them hood bitches like Keisha and Tanisha. Drop it, bitch, let it go. Lace panties hit the floor. Chase down, you ain't know.
It's a vlog, RKDRT. We pushing this shit, man. Y'all niggas better fucking subscribe.
How we do hell no.
We get these damn vlogs together. I'm fucking laying down, right? And this damn cat is just sitting here meowing the whole damn time. The neighbors moved out, and they really think. Let me get it together.
Help me! Help me!
These neighbors think that they about to leave their cat here. This motherfucker that really hopped on my goddamn chair, thinking I'm gonna let his ass in. Like, no, bruh, you cannot come in here. You're weird. Get out of here. Bruh. Get out of here. Get out of here. Damn cat. We're gonna have to call animal control on this motherfucker because this shit is unacceptable, bro. That's how that shit go. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all, right now, on my way to work right now, man. I'm so tired. It's just like, oh goodness, ridiculous. How tired I am right now. But I'm on my way to work right now, y'all. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day so far. You know what I'm saying? I'm allergic to the police, I swear. Just like you broke niggas, I'm allergic to the police like I'm allergic to you broke. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking shit, I'm broke too. Yeah, man, I'm just talking shit, y'all. It's all for entertainment, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like this vlog. Let me get a few likes on this video, you know? It's a nighttime vlog. Got the munchies like a mother lover right now. Got me this Twix. Got some cookies. Got some Sour Patches. Oh, it's about to go down right now. Someone told me that piss poor planning, when you don't plan, you get shitty results. When you plan shit, you get good results, all right? So what I'm gonna do first, before anybody should cook food, first thing you do is wash your hands, all right? So I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. I'm saying, just came back from the store. I'm not wearing a face mask, I'm not wearing gloves. Like, y'all just too extreme with this shit. I mean, I understand the precautions that we gotta take, but come on now, like, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you ain't got it, you shouldn't be worried about it. But at the same time, yeah, take the necessary precautions. But I think that the mask, this coronavirus, like I said, this channel, we're not here to talk about the coronavirus. But the thing about the coronavirus is it's not something that you get from just looking at somebody. It's not something that you get from just talking to somebody on the phone. You feel me? It's like something you get from like touching, coughing, sneezing, you feel me, touching your face, touching shit and touching your face, and you know what I'm saying, that's how shit spread. So y'all just make sure y'all stay safe and stay clean, alright? Woo! Ah! And when you wash your hands, wash it with very hot water. That's how you kill germs and bacteria and shit. For those of y'all who don't have experience in washing your hands, alright? You gotta wash them thoroughly. I ain't got no fingernails, but you gotta clean the nails. Well, they're starting to grow back. My fingernails are starting to grow back. I'm trying to stop biting my nails and shit. But anyways, let's get to the motherfucking spaghetti. Alright, y'all, so one thing y'all need to know about spaghetti, it's one of the most inexpensive, fast, and very tasty meal to cook. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know what inexpensive means, it means cheap. It's not expensive. It's very fast to cook. You gotta, I'm not using beef. I'm using ground turkey. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to sweat away from the meat. I'm trying to get everything prepped and prepared right now. I got the pasta over there. I got the black pepper, the cheese. I got the pasta sauce. What I'm gonna put in my, I'm a Belizean ass nigga, so I'm gonna season up this turkey. So we're gonna put some season it all. All right, we're gonna put some famous Creole seasoning, no salt. All right, we're not gonna overdo it, but since this is Italian food, we're gonna put some of that basil in there. You know what I'm saying? What else I got? Some Italian seasoning we're gonna put up in there. And as y'all can see, this is all great value. This shit is all cheap, you know what I'm saying? People be getting name brand shit. It's the same shit as generic, you know what I'm saying? What else we gonna put up in there? Leave it in the comment section what you think I should put in my spaghetti. Don't trip. This is one thing that has to go in there. Boom, garlic. Don't play games with the garlic, all right? So we're gonna put some garlic, probably like about 2 of these little cloves. 2 cloves, 2 little garlic cloves. Because honestly, I mean, when I cook, people really don't eat my food here, so I don't get offended. That's just more for me, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all watching this video and I'm cooking y'all, man, feel free to help yourself, you feel me? I ain't no stingy ass nigga. So yeah, let's put everything together, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this in my bag, y'all. I'm on this big ass tablet right now. I hope the quality of this video is pretty good. It feels good to be vlogging, man. I ain't vlogged in like a week, man. I've been trying to get my mind right, trying to figure out what is it that I want to bring to the channel. And I'm like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna just bring y'all my life raw and just how the shit is. All right, y'all, so here we have all the supplies for the most famous spaghetti that you will ever see on YouTube. But like I said, man, we got the basil, we got the Italian season, we got the motherfucking black pepper, we got the season it all, we got the Creole season, we got the garlic, my bad. We got the Creole season, we got the season it all, black pepper, Italian season, basil. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm about to do right now is chop up this garlic. Cutting board, garlic. All right, y'all, so I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This is one of like my most favorite thing to make, the spaghetti. I honestly don't like to make it with spaghetti. I'd rather use like rigatoni or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like very, like, I like the rigatoni pasta because you could like pasta get all in the rigatoni and shit. And I don't know, I feel like I just like rigatoni pasta, you know? Shit. You don't have to make spaghetti with spaghetti pasta. Spaghetti, garlic real quick. So I'm gonna cut up this garlic real nice and fine, because you know garlic is good for the heart. You got the garlic all nice and chopped up. I don't know about y'all, but I fuck with the garlic. I fuck with onions. All that shit that's good for the heart, I fuck with. All right, let's get it. All right, so next, man, I got this big ass pan right here. What I'm gonna do? Boom, put that on the stove. Man, this is all the basic shit, man. Y'all know what it is. Spaghetti is not that hard to make, but you'll be surprised. Some people don't even know how to make fucking noodles. Excuse my language. I'm gonna try to edit that out. But I might not want to work that hard, so I might not edit it out. Keep in mind, I only have like 212 subscribers, so they're not. I'm a small time YouTuber. They ain't really sweating me like that. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all could, you know, do me a big favor, I really would appreciate it. Scroll down, subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell. Get this video a like, man. Get this video a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. So let me know if y'all want more, because I can cook. If y'all want to see more cooking vlogs, hey, more cooking little content, hey, I could bring it to y'all. Y'all just gotta let me know. You feel me? Cooking is an art that you gotta take your time when you're doing it. You know what I'm saying? You don't wanna rush through this shit. You feel me? You wanna take your time, know what you're doing. Your food gonna come out good. You know what I'm saying? Because this shit gonna get cooked all the way. We don't eat raw food over here. Alright, y'all, so pretty much when it comes to making spaghetti, you gotta do the meat first and then you do the pasta, because the pasta takes about a lot faster than it is to make the turkey. So
really, nigga?
Turkey first. The turkey is pretty much thawed out right now. That shit is pretty much thawed out. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna open this up and just put it in the pot, and then we're gonna cook this on medium, and then yeah. I'm about to roll up and I'm about to get in my zone, and hey, we're gonna make this the most interesting video of the quarantine, you feel me? Because this quarantine shit is crazy, y'all. Fuck the fucking virus, y'all. It's the quarantine shit. Like, this shit was already planned. Like, if y'all do your homework, man, it's martial law. It's called a New World Order, you feel me? Y'all niggas better tap the fuck in and be up on y'all. Don't believe everything the news tell you, you feel me? So let's get to this meat. ground turkey, 80%, 90% lean, 10% fat. I'm not really a fan of fat. I'm not really not a fan of fat, but hey, I am a fan of turkey. I really try to stay away from that beef shit. You know what I'm saying? As much as I can. I like beef, but when it comes to spaghetti and shit like that, I like to cook with. I like to make it with turkey. I feel like it's a lot more healthier. You know what I'm saying? So I got that open right there. That. Okay, I'm gonna leave this right here.
A few moments later.
The moment of truth, y'all. Check me out. Oh my God. Stop playing with the game, man. You don't need to put oil and nothing in there right now. You know what I'm saying? Because this shit pretty much gets like watery and all that other shit. And I'm gonna break it down and let that shit go around like that. Right now, I think it would be a good idea to throw the garlic in there. All that garlic up in there. Not a lot of people could do this, you feel me? But I'm one of the chosen ones. You know what I'm saying? And I do this. It's just another natural. This is another daily vlog. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is, boom. Get all that together right there. It's on low. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook for right now. All right, now I know what y'all thinking right now. Well, Ray, did you really just put that turkey in the stove and you didn't season the meat? First of all, even though I'm showing y'all how to make spaghetti right now, you don't have to do it like this. You can, oh shit, I just fucked up right now, my dumb ass. Cut. Like I was saying, just because I'm showing y'all how to make spaghetti right now, you don't necessarily have to do it the way I do it. That's just how I do it. If you want to put your seasoning before you put the meat in on the pot, on the stove, by all means do what you do, you feel me? I'm not gonna knock that. Excuse me while I take a drink. But yeah, man, hope y'all like this video so far. I'm trying to bring new shit to the channel, man. It might be boring to some of y'all, but I enjoy what I'm doing right now, man. I'm at the crib chilling. We in quarantine right now. I should have took y'all to the store, but I didn't. All right, Joseph, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Make sure that don't get burnt or nothing like that. Hope the quality of this video is cool, cause let me turn this light on just so let me show y'all what I'm working with. That's that turkey meat, you did. Now, right now, I'm about to start seasoning this motherfucker. Dash, just a dash. Now we're gonna whip it like it's Jiffy. Y'all know what it is. Alright, so now the meat is almost done. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna start our pasta. In this case, spaghetti. Got this big ass pot. This shit gonna be good, y'all. This shit gonna be good. I'm hungry right now too. I wish Malik was here because he loves my food. I love you, son. I'm gonna go ahead and put this pasta sauce up in there right now because I feel like since this is my show and I'm running the show, I'm gonna put the pasta sauce in there right now. So check me out. Put the pasta sauce in there. I'm gonna pour that up in there though. Why not? Man, stop watching other people's YouTube channel and start watching my shit, man. Cause I'm doing epic legendary shit over here. I'm doing shit 30-year-olds don't even do, you feel me? But yeah, man, we got the water boiling right now. Let me show you what I'm about to do. I'm not about to do that. Stop doing that on camera. I'm gonna put this little pasta in there, man. It's about that time, you feel me? That's when you put the pasta in the water. Is when the motherfucking water's boiling. See it boiling? The water's boiling now. Now we're gonna put this pasta up in there. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I've been practicing social distancing. You know what I'm saying? We got the pasta and it's the meat sauce. We call this spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese, you feel me? I had to get it together real quick. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of shit going on right now, man. Niggas gotta get like mint mentally to another level, you feel me? Like, for real. But anyways, this is what's going on with the spaghetti. Right now, say what you want to say. If you want some, leave it in the comment section. It's definitely, yeah, I'm about to eat right now. Shit turned out pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie, bro.